Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.
Ay, hindi.
Ayun na lang i-transfer. Okay tayo, tayo. Bakit Gabi? Wait lang, wait!
Let's sing! Singing tayo, singing. Singing. Janela karaoke.
Dito ka galing.
Hindi.
Si ano, tawag dito yung Janelle? Ay, sino ba yun? Hindi, si... Yung kantang ano, yung nakakanta mo lagi. Yun. Ang favorite mo kantang Jinky? Yan ba yun?
Hindi.
Ay, yung kanta niya?
Ewan ko lang. Try lang. Kasi yung echo dito, maganda mas may echo eh.
Kaya dito ka, dali.
Volume echo. Ah, dami ng mata.
Ano ba yung ba't yan?
Like the first time I leave like today. I hate to think that you're the sunshine.
Ano da? A thousand times. Pangit to.
No one will tell you no, even though it's good to know. Baby, you know the pain is unbearable. It's always pensar ahí que nada. Binibining na Salamanca, you turn my Olympics into a bouquet. Sining sa museo, nilaluluma, binibining kong bintong luluwa. Gotta keep you like a ricochet. Oh my life, sa tingin mo na ang oras mo'y lumipas na. Ako'y patuloy na mararapoy sa ganda. Sino? Oh my life, if I could paint a vivid picture of a crush. Tapos sa kanya ko na. Pa naman, years. I call you beautiful. Yung wala ka, hindi na siya umiiyak. Kaya mo na. Totoo siya sa akin.
Nataling siya dito.
Agawan ako ng mic niyan. Hindi ko alam. Binibining na isa na. Sa museo, nilaluluma, binibining kong bintong gamaluluwa. Nakikita like a ricochet. Oh my life, sa tingin mo na ang oras mo lumipas na. Patuloy na mahalal mo sa ganda.
Jonella. Kung malaki yung ano niyo ha. Galit na galit yung mga ano. Galit na galit yung mga letter niyo. Sino yun yung kanta ng Jinky? Yung ano, yung... Bakit niyan? Hindi. Search mo mga kanta ng Jinky. Yung kanta niya ba? Salamat niya. Pero siya isang ano na may kinakanta mo. Search mo na.
Kung balikan man ang hirap buhat lang, ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon. At pagiran ang bigay at ng linggo, di ko papapalit ngiti mo sa mundo. Oh, eto tayo. Palagi babalik pa rin sa'yo hanggang sa uli. Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo iyong ko. Sa pagdating, mas alam mo ata ganda namin, gandang ulit-ulit. Sa uli. Wala bang echo to? Masyadong flat eh. Hindi gumaganyan. Papaganda ng boses. Sa uli babalik pa rin sa'yo. Sa uli. Hello? Wala eh. Wala, hindi ko alam. Hello? 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 Sa uli, palagi. Mga luma na lang.
Hanapin mo si Jinky.
Jinky. Hey, Google. Baka kumakanta ta. Ay, kasi siya. Hindi mo lang? Okay, everyone. Hindi pa gas-gas eh. Slow. kaibigan, nandito po ako sa bahay ni Beshi. Nakakapit ba yung mga roke? Diyan lang sa kating bahay namin, oh. Oo, malapit lang po. Maybe sometimes love just ain't enough. Baby, sometimes love, it just ain't enough. Ano yung sinasabi mo kanina? Jinky? Okay.
Wala, lalabas siya mga kalita. Eko ako ngayon.
Hala?
Ay, sige, sige.
Ikaw na.
Okay na, tapos na yung ano mo, naubusan ni Layday, tatlo. Beshi.
Sino Tayday?
Sila dali.
Ay. Sabi mo sa kanya, any comments and suggestion after the eating?
Sige, mamaya.
May libre sa susunod na order.
O, diba naubusin pala yung naman, dito pala.
Sige, dadamihan ko na 100 na. Eto, saan yan?
Ang pangalan niya? Ay, ano?
One hello.
Ayan, one hello. Yan, kaya niya ba?
Kanta niya yan sa anak niya?
Yan, oo, sa anak niya.
Talaga?
Oo na, hindi na.
Hindi ko alam yun eh.
Kwento lang nila yan, kaya ako nalaman.
Ah.
Sabi niya, yun yung kanta niya sa anak niya na ano na. Ewan ko may story eh. Parang yan. Alam mo naman si Ryan, favorite niya yun.
Favorite niya to?
Oo.
Ay, talaga?
Favorite niya si ano, yung kanta niya. There's nothing wrong with love. He's somebody too much.
Mali, ako na magluto dyan. Ikaw naman dito.
Sige, ikaw, kaya ko na to. Kumanta ka lang dyan, kantahan mo lang kami ni Gabi.
Spain.
Tulog naman ng mga kapitbahay niya. Hindi naman sila rin dito.
Baka naingayon sa atin ha.
Yes! Sarap, sarap mamang gagatin. Ang paborito ng lahat, mangga.
Ay, ano ba yun? Ang hirap kasi mag-type lang. Hindi.
Hindi ko rin nakakita yun eh.
O sa banyo.
Meron pa yung ano
Ay, kaya ano to? Rain of what love brings, then endings are beginnings of beautiful things. It's a chance you take, a chance you'll win. If someone's gonna find you, first you gotta let them in. 'Cause love begins with one hello. The hardest part is hold on. Now it's easy, let go.
dala para mag-go to. Pero kailangan maganda pakinggan, di ba?
Ako pag bilang ko walang mangyayari, ganun pa rin.
Kaya wala nang nangyayari.
Walang mangyayari kapag bilang ko. Same, same.
Ay, nandito lang ako para magtinda ng mga paninda ko. Anong ginagawa mo, Rita? Anong ginagawa mo? Nagtitinda pa ako ng leche plan, halaya ube bigo. I can see beyond your smile. I think that I can show you that what we have is still worthwhile. Don't you know that love just like a thread? Bakit ang bilis? It ties us back together in the end. In your eyes, I can see my dreams reflections in your eyes. All the answers to the questions in your eyes. I can see the reasons why our love's alive. In your eyes, where do things take me back to shore? And I think I've finally learned to love you. Nakilala mo si Ira? Era. Bisaya yung magaling kumanta. Kapatid ni Sweet Notes. Yung babae. Si babae tsaka siya magkapatid. Yung mga Bisaya. Pero mas magaling siya. Sa akin Hindi yung asawa ni Sweet Notes Charlotte. Mas magaling siya no. Sa akin I can see my dreams reflections in your eyes. All the answers to questions in Sige. Iwa ako ba kumakanta? You and where do things take me back to shore? And I think I've finally learned to love you more. And this time, uwi na rin ako mamaya. Uy, baliw. Mas dami ko. Punta ka sa amin, maglinis tayo. Maglinis tayo. Medyo. Enjoy ko walang pera. Darling, can't you see what losing you was done to me? I'm not the same girl I used to be. Have a change of heart. Don't leave me standing in the dark. Don't let confusion keep us up. Ayan na. Come back to me, and I'll guarantee all the tenderness and love you'll ever need. This time I'll be sweeter. Our love will run deeper. I won't mess around. I won't let you down. Have faith in me. Maraming salamat po sa bumili ng mga paninda ko. I love you all. In me. At salamat din kay Beshi for promotion. Baka, ano, la 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 la. Pero pag naghahanap ka ng mga kanta dito, may mahanap kang ano, di ba? Yung low-key. That's what friends are for. That's what friends are for. Ang favorite natin. Dalawang mic natin, Beshi. Sige. Tapos, ganito ah. Ganito. Oo, talaga binasa. Oo, dito ka. Dalawang mic natin. Pagkanta mo, sa likod ako. Wait, dalawa na lang tayo. Dalawa na tayo. Dalawa na lang tayo. Maglalaro pa tayo ng gano'n. Parang pang ano yun. Oo. Saan yung isang mic? Nasaan yung mic mo? Sa ano, yung paper bottle. Ay, baka naman pa siya. Ano sa... parang lang yung... paper bottle. Ayan, paper Hello. Kailangan meron kang sign. Trying to get home. Ito muna. O, Martina na. Martina na. Ikaw mo na muna. Thank you for teaching me how. Ay, ba yan, no? Kaya na yan. Ako na sa chorus. Kaya na yan. Kaya mo yan. For destination I realized quickly when I knew I should that the world was made of brotherhood of men. Whatever I need. So what is it? When I'm lying there, it's again. I am sitting my head. I'm feeling what's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? Sa chorus na tayo. Alam niyo. And I tried, oh my God, I tried all the time in this institution, and I prayed, oh my God, to pray, I prayed to sing again. And so I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed just to get it on what's in my head. I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so when I Total eclipse of the heart. Press and hold pala. Total eclipse of the heart. Wala naman. Hindi.
Wala. Gusto na ka na. Wala siguro yun. I-search mo na lang. Dali nga nandun na siya sa part na yun. Back mo na.
And I say, hey, yeah, hey, hey. Tama. Sina. Mamarinda.
Asa na yung pili-pili gabi? Gusto niya tumamamag ng mga photo.
Sinking.
Okay lang ka na.
Turn,
Tawarin na lang. Ay, ka ba?
turn around. Every now and then I get a little bit lonely and you never come around. Turn around. Every now and then I get a little bit tired of listening to stuff.
Wait.
Turn around. Every now and then I get a little bit nervous that the best of 2 years have done. Turn around. Every now and then I get a little bit terrified, and then I see the look in your eyes. Turn around. Every now and then I fall apart. Turn around. Every now and then I fall apart. And I need you now, tonight. And I need you more.
Ang taas na niya.
Only hold me tight. We'll be holding on forever. And we'll only be making it right. We'll never be wrong. Together we can take it till the end of the night. Your love is like a shadow at the I don't know what to do. You're living in a dark and you're giving up sparks. I really need you tonight. Forever started so too. Once upon a time I was falling in love. Now I'm only falling apart. There's nothing I can do. Total eclipse of the heart. Wait, dito tayo, Manel.
Ganun, bes.
Once upon a time there was light in my life, but now there's only one in the dark. There's nothing like this. Eclipse of the heart. A total eclipse of the heart. Ay, ayun, haba. Yes.
That's what my first
Sinking.
Ay, 24 yung pala. Yan muna yung na-besh. 300 na yung
Baby, look at me and tell me what you see. You ain't seen the best of me yet. Give me time, I'll make you forget the ways I got more than me. And you can set it free. I can catch down mood in my hands. Don't you know who I am? Remember my name, babe. I'm gonna live forever. I'm gonna learn how to fly. I feel it coming together. People will see me and cry, babe. I'm gonna make it to heaven. Light up the sky like a flame, babe. Baby, remember mine and remember. Baby, hold me tight, 'cause you can your fear seems to hide deep inside your mind. Oh no, I have cried silent tears full of pride.
Pagod ako.
Made of stone. Alam na mo ah. Well, I hear the music, close my eyes, feel the rhythm, wrap around, take a hold of my home. What a feeling, these believing. I can have it all, I can sing forward. Sito natin ako. Take your passion and make it happen. Pictures come alive, you can match right through your life. Pampawala na ng stress. Japan yan. And the flash is the core of my home. What a feeling, this believing. I can have it all, I can sing forward. Kasi pagod na ako. Take your passion and make it happen.
Mag-exercise. Exercise yung boses natin. I wanna dance with somebody. Dali, bisa mo. I wanna dance with somebody.
Video okay dito, hindi ka mong nilagay.
Ang ingay niyo daw. The stress upon you, and the sun begins to fade. Still enough time to figure out how to chase my blues away. Until the night, with the light of day, and we won't turn on. Loneliness gone. I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna live with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. Hindi pa tapos eh. I've been in love, lost my senses, spinning through the town. Sooner or later, the beater ends and the wind I'm feeling down. I need a man who'll take conscience
watching.